Queenification1 back at you again with yet another video. Happy Friday, you guys. Okay, so today's video is going to be kind of a first impression video. You guys know I haven't done like a wig review or anything like that. Lately I've been doing like story times and things like that. So I kind of wanted to do a wig review. Now, I've had this wig for a while, and I kind of mentioned it in another video months and months ago, but I completely forgot about it because I had bought so many new wigs and things like that, so I completely forgot about this wig for some reason. And when I was trying to think of what video I was going to do for today for you guys, I kind of came across this wig, and I'm like, I never even opened it? Okay, great, so I'll do a video on that. Okay, so the wig, you guys, is this wig. Actually, let me cut this tag off. It'll be easier for you guys to see. It is the Outre Quick Weave, self-styled in 60 seconds. It's high-tech, heat-resistant fiber up to 400 degrees. It is in a style called Hawaiian. So this is the wig. It's called Hawaiian, and I have it in a DR425. On the back of the style card, of course, it has the step-by-step instructions on how to actually put on the wig, and then below that it has the care guide and all that good stuff. So we're going to get right into this. I'm going to make this as quick as possible. Now, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, I think this is a half wig or something like that, and you guys know I'm natural, so we're gonna kind of see if this is gonna work. I don't know if it will, but my curl pattern is 1,000 times different than the wig itself. So yeah, we're just gonna see how this works, you guys. Yeah, this really, I think this is a half wig. Well, okay, so standard packaging, you guys. It has the netting, the little black netting, and you see, like, completely different. Even my color is different, so yeah, I'm a little scared about this. It has the little white tissue paper in the inside of the wig. Oh, this is definitely a half wig. I don't think this is gonna work. This is about to be a fail, you guys. I can see it already, because I did not prepare for this wig at all. Because, like I told you guys, I completely forgot I had the wig. So when I saw it, I was like, oh gosh, I mentioned it in a video, and I never ever did anything about it. So, yeah. So anyway, let's look at the construction of the wig. So, of course, it definitely is a half wig because it has that thick front. And that's usually where you take your hair to camouflage it, but we know my hair is probably not going to be able to camouflage this wig, so we're still going to put it on and see how it looks, but you guys know this is about to be a fail. Okay, so the construction of the wig, we have a long comb in the front. We have your standard black lacing here. You have your wefting in the back and along the sides. And then in the back, you have your other comb and, of course, your adjustable straps. So I absolutely have nothing to hold my hair down. My hair is so big today, which was awesome because I wore my hair to work like this and all of that good stuff. So what I think I'm going to do, you guys, is, just give me a moment. I'm going to pin my hair up, and then I'm going to come back with the wig. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I just kind of put my hair in a ponytail because as I'm looking at this wig, it doesn't say, let's see. It doesn't say anywhere on the wig that it is in fact a half wig, but upon further inspection of the style card itself, let me put it a little bit closer, you can kind of tell that she has her hair covering it, so that right there tells me it's a half wig, and we know that it's not going to work. But I still want to see what it looks like. Okay. Yes, first off, as I said, this is definitely a half wig, so I would have to probably pull it back and pull my hair out, and maybe like either roller set my hair or like flexi rod it or something like that, you guys, just to kind of get my curls to kind of mimic the curl pattern of the wig itself. If I'm not mistaken, I mean, it's been so long I can't even remember if I saw this on YouTube or if I was just, when I was buying wigs and trying to prepare for one of my hauls, I think I just saw this wig and was like, yeah, that's cute, let me get it. And I think it was like, to be honest, I think it was like $11.99 or something, so it wasn't that expensive, so I really, you know. But anyway, yeah, so I think, as you guys can definitely see, I would have to camouflage this with my hair. But of course, with my hair being a lot redder and this being more of a burgundy color, it kind of still wouldn't match. If I, you know, even if I roller set my hair or flexi rod my hair, flexi rod set my hair to mimic the curls, it still wouldn't match, and it would still look kind of weird because my hair is a lot redder and this hair is definitely burgundy. But yeah, so this is the wig, you guys. Again, if you want to try this wig, it is a half wig, just so you guys know, it is a half wig, and you will probably need to leave some of your hair out or something like that, just so it'll match in a little bit better with the hair, because it's really kind of no way to wear this without doing some sort of a camouflage, you know, some sort of a camouflage to the thick band in the front. But I mean, as far as the wig itself, it's probably about, I would say, a good 16 inches. And the curls are really, really pretty. You guys know I love my reds and burgundies, so I do like it. It does have those dark roots. So I absolutely love the color, but for me to wear this, I mean, it would be a lot for me to have to, you know, do some things to put this together. Because I wouldn't want to, like, do anything like that. Oh, actually, that might kind of, nah. I mean, it just would probably take a lot, and I'm sure I could, like, you know, release the curls a little bit and you know, comb out the curls, brush out the curls, and make it a little bit more big. But I actually like it. I like the curls the way they are. But just, you know, with my hair, it's probably not going to work. But it's a cute wig nonetheless. Okay, you guys. Again, this is the Outre Quick Weave Hawaiian in a DR425. Again, this was a fail for me because I can't camouflage my hair with it. But it is a pretty half wig. Alright, you guys, so that is absolutely the end of the video. I was trying to be as quick as possible. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you in the very next video. Until then, take care. Bye.